In 2026, job market is changing very rapidly. So applying to every different job requires you to create CV based on the job description, and it is very boring. You know, when you have to create 10 to 15 CVs every day, it is very boring. Even if you create using very Gen AI tool like Cloud, you would to specifically write the paste the job description here and mention here to create a CV that is matching to the job description, right? It's also time consuming. So what I did is next level. I created an auto tool that all what it does is it fetches the latest job listings from LinkedIn that matches your CV obviously, and then it analyzes the matching percentage. Whenever it is highly matched, it creates a tailored CV that is specifically for the job listed, right? For example, you put your name here, upload your best CV here, and click on analyze. It will analyze your CV. Then you will start the process. It will automatically fetch latest job listings. Then, for example, I have saved few job listings, and it had generated this CV. What I've done basically is created Gen AI agents that will do my job. At first step, it analyzes your CV that you have uploaded, your base CV. That is basically your that mentions your skills and everything that is required for your identification. It requires Gemini API key that you to go to get your Gemini API tool. You will go to cloud.google AI Studio. Once you get there, you would go to API keys and create one key. I have already created. What is your personal key? You will get the API ID here, API key, and I'm using the free tier, obviously. Then you need to put your both the API keys here, the Gemini API key and the Rapid API key. Rapid API you could get it in the Rapid API does the real job. It scraps you the latest job listings and fetches feeds to the Gemini agent. At the very first step, it analyzes your CV using Gemini AI and lists down keywords and location job titles matching to your CV. In the next step, it uses the sourcer to fetch the latest job listings using the API key API I have shown you. And if any new job listing is found, it sends it to evaluator. The evaluator uses Gemini API and a basic prompt to analyze whether this job listing is suitable for you or not. If the match score is 90, then matched. Job status is matched. Right, if it is matched, it will send it to tailor. What tailor will do is it will send a prompt to Gemini to create one CV or generate one CV that is matching to the job description mentioned there. Finally, you will be notified via this notifier. Now, I have not completed this because it needs some more APIs to send real email to your email ID. I will be doing in my future videos. If I get a good response in this video, I will definitely make a video on it. Or you guys already try it yourself. Okay, so let me run the tool. I clicked on start and it has started to search for new job listings. Let's see. Oh, it has found a job listing. If I check the logs, yeah, generating tailored CV for senior software engineer. Let's see whether it has generated the CV or not. Okay, which one? Yeah, this was the job listing. Let's see what is it has generated. Yeah, it has generated a new CV which is matching or tailored to the job listing itself. Now, one thing to notice here is that it has already added some unnecessary text. So we have to modify the prompt to make it more accurate. Now you also want it to fit in one page. Obviously some tweaking is needed to make it more better and accurate. I've just showed you an example. You could tweak the prompt. You could make the prompt better. Okay, let me stop the. It is already running. Stop pipeline, and it will stop. Let me also stop the server. Now this is the beta version. Obviously, I have not completed it fully. So you can use the source code to make it better for you, and obviously to save your time. I will continue to make it better. So if I get a good response on this, I will definitely upload the next part of it. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel.